Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format elements with sound in your Google Vids projects. So you're working on your Google Vids project and you have elements that have an aspect of sound to them. You might not know this, but you can format that sound in some ways. What's important here is that you need to select an element that has sound associated with it. If you just go to the format menu, there's really nothing here that deals with sound. So what you need to do is either select a video element that has sound with it. So I'll select this one. And then I can go to format, and then you'll notice playback options, balance sound, and sound. If I click on balance sound, you'll see I've got a handful of options over here. Fade in, fade out, I can mute it. If I go to just regular sound, it really isn't much different. But then keep in mind, you also have these soundtracks down here. If you select those, you can also apply sound formatting to those. So there are some ways to format sound elements in your Google Vids, which, because they're videos, there's a good chance there's going to be audio involved. And this is how you can control some of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.